Hello everyone, good night. I introducing myself. My name is Harold Velasco Romero. I am 29 years old. I live in Free Union. I am an introverted person. I like change, learn new things that help me understand the different everyday reality. I like reading. The type of music I hear is rock and soft metal and is different subgenres. I also like video games, sport, cycling. I like cars and motorcycles and their drive responsibly. He stood in the present universe, saying I like all the work of agriculture and livestock sector. I am pleased with my work, with helping people achieve their goals and my step. I am from Bogota. I live in town of Usme about 8 years ago. With my partner, we have decided to acquire an apartment in the municipality of Suacha. It's a very ambitious and satisfactory project. We hope to move in July.